In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Google Forms. Whether you're collecting ratings across multiple categories or organizing choices side by side, a table layout helps people answer quickly and keeps your data tidy. I'll show you the built-in grid option and how to explore add-ons if you want more customized tables. First, open your Google form in edit mode. You can use an existing form or start a new one. Either way is fine. Make sure you're in the Questions tab so you can add or adjust a question where the table will live. Next, add a new question and open the question type menu. This is the drop-down that usually says multiple choice. It lists all the available question formats you can switch to. From that menu, choose Multiple Choice Grid. This is Google Forms' built-in table-style question. You'll see fields for rows and columns. Rows typically represent items or statements you're evaluating, and columns represent the options or scale points across the top. Keep labels short and consistent so they're easy to scan. With a multiple choice grid, respondents pick one option per row. If you ever need to allow multiple selections per row, there's a checkbox grid type as well, but for a classic table-like matrix with single choices, multiple choice grid is the way to go. You can also use the question options to control whether responses are required for each row, helping ensure complete data. If you want more advanced table designs, open the More menu at the top right of the form by clicking the three vertical dots, then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can enhance forms with extra functionality. In the search bar, type Table, then browse the results. Read the descriptions and check ratings to find a tool that matches your needs. Some focus on formatting or layout, others enhance matrix-style questions. Click through to learn what each add-on does. Then install the one that fits your use case. You may be asked to grant permissions, review them carefully and proceed if you're comfortable, or consult your workspace administrator if needed. After installation, the add-on you chose will provide the table style you prefer. In Forms, add-ons typically appear under the puzzle piece icon in the toolbar. Launch it and follow the on-screen prompts to insert or configure the table. If it generates a question for you, double-check your row and column labels, required settings, and any validation options. Use the preview to confirm the table looks good on desktop and mobile, then send your form when you're satisfied. And that's it. Your table is ready in Google Forms using the grid or an add-on. Happy form building!